Most beginners believe this: if I find the right strategy, everything will work. But here's the truth. Strategies don't fail traders. Traders fail strategies. Before we go deeper, click the link in the description and watch this beginner series in order. Each episode builds your foundation step by step. I'm Chris, and in this episode, I'm going to explain why most trading strategies fail beginners and how you should think about strategies the right way. 1. The strategy trap. Beginners spend most of their time searching for new strategies, watching endless YouTube videos, switching systems every week. This creates what I call strategy hopping. When a strategy loses, beginners assume it's broken. They abandon it too early and move to another one. But losing trades are part of every strategy. No strategy wins all the time. The problem is not the strategy. The problem is expectations. 2. Why beginners misunderstand strategies. Most beginners think strategies are magic formulas. They believe, if I follow the rules perfectly, I'll never lose. But strategies don't remove losses. They manage probabilities. Even a good strategy can lose 5 trades in a row, go through drawdowns, and feel uncomfortable emotionally. Beginners quit right before the strategy starts working. Patience is missing. 3. What a strategy really does. A trading strategy does only 3 things: defines when to enter, defines when to exit, and defines how much to risk. That's it. It does not predict the future, guarantee profits, or remove emotional pressure. Your job is to execute the strategy consistently, not to improve it every day. Consistency beats complexity. 4. How to use strategies as a beginner. Here's the right way for beginners to use strategies. Pick one simple strategy, trade it on one market, use small risk, and track results for weeks, not days. Don't judge a strategy after 5 trades, a 1 losing day, or a bad week. Judge it after enough data. Learning comes from repetition, not switching. 5. Why discipline matters more than strategy. A simple strategy with discipline beats a complex strategy without it. Most beginners lose money not because their entries are bad, but because they change rules, they move stop losses, they trade emotionally. Discipline is the real edge. If you stop chasing strategies and start mastering execution, your results will change. Click the link in the description to continue to episode 5, where I'll explain risk management in a simple way every beginner must understand. I'm Chris, and we're building traders, not gamblers.